Chicken breast. Simple? Maybe. But there's a reason every bodybuilder's meal prep starts here. Chicken breast is packed with high-quality, lean protein that provides all the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and grow after a tough workout. And because it's naturally low in fat, it gives you the protein punch without excess calories. One trainer I know swears by grilled chicken breast. He calls it his muscle fuel, and he's not wrong. If you're aiming for clean, lean muscle gain, this should be a staple on your plate. Now,